student, today my topic is types of organic reaction. Organic reaction distributed into four types. First is substitution or displacement reaction. It is again distributed into three types: free radical, nucleophilic, electrophilic. Second reaction is addition reaction. It is also divisible into three parts: electrophilic, nucleophilic and free radical. Third is elimination reaction. It is divisible into two parts, E1, E2, and fourth one is rearrangement. Now we will discuss one by one. Now this is the substitution reaction. In this reaction, an atom or a group of an atom attached to the carbon atom in a substrate molecule substituted by the another atom. One atom is replaced by the another atom in this reaction. It is of three types. First is free radical. In this reaction, substituting attacking reagent is a free radical. For example, this is the reaction, this is the free radical. Free radical represented by dot. So this free radical just replace B from the reagent and the product form is like this. Now B is a free radical. In the same manner, when methane is react with chlorine, one H is replaced and it is methyl chloride. Again chlorine react with this methyl group, then it forms CH2Cl2. Again chlorine react with CH2Cl2, then it forms chloroform. Then chloroform again Cl react with it and it forms carbon tetrachloride. Next is now in this way free radical just substitute the reagent. Now next is nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is of two types, SN1 and SN2. SN1 means nucleophilic substitution, and for nucleophilic S for substitution, and this R is for reaction. It is the rate determining step and of the second order. Why it is second order? Because reaction depend on both substrate also and nucleophilic also. Both are participating equally. So when that is why it is SN2 reaction, because both are taking part. Now nucleophile, when attacked on this reagent, it replaces the halogen group out and attach itself to the alkyl group, because here the halogen is weak as compared to nucleophilic. So these reaction occur in the single step, and intermediate is transition state. When the nucleophilic start joining the alkyl group and remove the halogen from the reagent, then this is the transition. Transition means at the middle. So see this transition state. Firstly, the nucleophilic when attacked to this substrate, it is a slow reaction. That is why it is rate determining reaction, because it is slow reaction. Always remember, slow reaction are rate determining step. So when nucleophilic attach in this situation in the transition state, then the reaction become fast and X get eliminated or substituted, or Nu means nucleophilic attached to the substrate. Now nucleophilic attack on the carbon atom from opposite side. This is the opposite side, not the in front. This is the back side. So opposite side configuration of the substrate is inverted. This is the inverted position, not in the front position, and this reaction is known as Weldon inversion. Now next is SN1 reaction. In this rate determining step is first order, as it depend upon only the concentration of substrate. It is depend upon only the concentration of substrate, not the nucleophile. So this reaction undergo two steps. First step is substrate molecule undergo heterolytic fission. What is heterolytic fission? Heterolytic fission means carbon atom giving both the electron to the halogen atom, forming carbocation. Because it gives the carbon atom gives the electron to the halogen, that is why it contain plus sign and it becomes carbocation, and this is the slow step. Second step is, it is fast step. Nucleophile can attack on the carbocation from either side of the product. Suppose this is the front side, this is the front side. When halogen removed from the alkyl group, it is the slow step. Both the electron taken away by the halogen. So carbon become deficient in the electron, so it becomes positive. So positive carbon is known as carbocation. Now when nucleophilic just attack on this carbocation, it attack either of the both the side, front also or the back side. So when it attack on the back side, on the back side, at the back side, then it known as inversion. And when it is attacked from the front side, it known as retention. So both the possibility is 50-50%, and when it attack to the back side, it is minus in state, and when it is attack at the front side, it is in the plus state. So both these are known as racemic mixture. Plus and minus, both state are known as racemic mixture altogether. Now next is electrophilic substitution reaction. This reaction are constitute in the aromatic hydrocarbon only. So this is the electrophilic, and electrophilic attached to the para position and remove one H ion. So my question is, what is substitution reaction and its type? Thank you.